We're going to set up UI settings, and on the right here we have all of our user function keys, and this is where we can add different functions. And back to Mixer 1 on the left here, you can see all the 16 user function keys that we have. So we have none. In session, we have save session or load session, scenes, store scene, store new scene, previous scene, next scene. Then we go into presets where we can copy and paste different channel presets. If you're doing a lot of the same vocals or something, you can just copy and paste them very quickly. Navigation and layout. This is where we can select certain channels. And so if we're going to be jumping to a channel often, you can just have it right there and jump to it. Edit plugin, if we know that we're going to be editing a plugin on a specific channel, like an EQ or an auto tune, we can very quickly jump to that on specific channels by having that as a function key. Previous channel, next channel, so as we're going through editing stuff, last channel, so all those will show up in your channel view. And then we have the mixer views. So instead of tapping it at the top, we can just click it on the left. Then we have the mixer mode, so mixer 1 and 2, and then same with the custom layer. We can turn those on and off for each mixer. And then we have the flip sends, which is really nice for monitors. So you can have all of your monitors on the left there, and you can just tap those and then you're mixing each monitor. So that'll be really nice for monitors. So like we set that. So when we go back into mixer 1 and we hit monitor 1, now we're mixing monitor 1. And then we tap it again and we're back to front of house mix or just a not in the in-ear mix. We have some more navigation and layout. We can spill link groups. We have our mutes and our bypasses, so we can mute specific channels, groups, auxes, link groups, which is really nice. Just have that right there on the left. We can do a mute all, so we can just mute everything. Won't really use that, but you can have it. Mute groups and plugin bypasses. So you can bypass a specific plugin on a specific channel. Then we have general. So flip AB. So if you're doing virtual sound check, you can just flip all the inputs. Link on and off. Copy main mix 2, so if you can set up your mixes in the monitors really quick by just setting them and then copying them and pasting them. Talkback presets, so you can change who you're talking to. You have 8 different presets, so you can talk to like backstage, your MD, your lead singer, or the whole band, and we'll show that here. And you can label each one of these. So we'll label this one backstage. And then we'll go to that. And now backstage is right there. So when you click it, you're now set to talk to the backstage. Or again, your music director, your lead singer, you can set it as anything you want. Another button for talking. So you can push and hold that to talk. Flip all preamp or local, so virtual gain or preamp gain. Your lock, tap tempo for delays, clear solo, just another place to clear solo, the keyboard, control, and alt. And those are your user function keys.